Okay, guys, it's crunch time. It's time to get the show on the road. Let me elaborate. This is the subject, as you know, mini pallet disc sander, dual purpose. You know all that bullshit up front, right? It says, this content is extensive and dictates multiple videos. I made this shot for me, not for you guys, so that I can keep track of what the hell I'm doing. But you can see it. Mini pallet disc sander -01. I already posted that. What's involved? Drawings. Drawings to show you what we're going to do. Alright? Alright? So now, today I'm posting this one. Tapping the table and grinding tool bits. Mini pallet disc sander -02, and I've already posted down. It'll be posted today. You understand? I know you guys don't have the patience to look through the drawings, but how the Christ can you know which way the wind is blowing unless you look at the drawing? Alright? I'm doing things in the right sequence. If I could put a hyperlink in this thing that all you have to do is click it, I would do it. But this, I'm using a paint program which doesn't allow that. All right, you see it? All right, now, you've seen this before. This is a recording, all right? If you guys don't comment and tell me what you want, how the Christ can I provide it? Tell me what you like, what you don't like. All right, I'll bend and twist this so that everybody gets what they want out of it. And I'll learn what the hell you want. All right? Are you getting my drift? All right. We're gonna tap a bunch of holes in this belt sander table. See, it says Delta 12-inch disc sander. It's a steel table, right? And what we're gonna do is, there's 72 holes. We're only gonna tap a few for you with a tapping head, and we'll show you. These are the coordinates here. You see it that way? And the coordinates going up and this way, so you see them? All right? So that's what you're gonna see. All right, thank you. Stop. Joe is dialing to the next set of coordinates of the PRO. That's magic oil. It's put out by Walmart. It's engine oil. Guy's got the finesse of a brain surgeon. I'm trying to get him up to be a little cruder. It's installed. clock spring brings it back. Having that quill wheel is piston really makes it easy. One more, then they're done. That's enough for the viewer to get there, get an idea what's going on. Again, Walmart oil, cheap, cheap. Alright, we're back here at the mini pallet slash, I don't know what it was, the disc sander table. I want to show you a couple of subtleties. We got a quill wheel here. We got a stop where my finger is. I got an indicator here. Do I need the indicator? No. But I'm going to put it on there. It'll just emphasize what we're doing. When I pull this quill wheel down, you see it? I'm not looking for a handle. The wheel is, see it? It's on the zero. When I let it go, here's the big deal. See it goes up by itself? This is a Bridgeport clone that has a good clock spring. A Bridgeport will not return like this. You put it down, you let it go. If it comes back a little, you'll be lucky. It kind of stays where it is, you gotta lift it up. I think this is one hell of an advantage. There goes down, stops on this. This is telling you what's going on. And I let it up. Now let me say a word about the Quill Wheel. You know, years ago, the early cars had a thing called a tiller, right? Right? And guess what? Somehow somebody came up with a wheel. I guess the wheel is still around and the tiller is gone. So what I say to the pundits, them other guys that know anything, I say, I'd like to see you put a tiller on your Ferrari. That's my comment, okay? Now we're going to dial this and retap that hole and show you how it goes. You want to zero it in, Joe? All right, I'm going to show you. I'm going to pull this down till it hits the stop, and this thing is going to advance till it stops. Then I let the wheel go. I'll do it a couple of times. I keep pressure on the wheel. See, that's advancing. The wheel is against the stop. Now when I let it go, it comes up. Isn't that sweet? I'll do it again for you. Bring the wheel down, a little pressure on it, hold it to the stop. When it finally stops, the tap stops revolving, you let it go, you're out. I'll do it again, just to make sure. stop, let the wheel go. Is that easy or what? Pause. Alright. See this thing? All these coordinates for these tapped holes evolve from right here. That's why we made this plug. You can put a coax, after you indicate this slot, you coax this with an indicall or a coaxial indicator, and you know where everything is. All the tapped holes in this. Just wanted to make that point. What's the screw for? In case we have a problem getting it out. Right? I got something to grab. And then, there you go. Pause. Alright. Alright. Alright, now Joe has assembled the table to the wheel. He's squaring it up where the machine is squared. Right? Can you see it, Chris? Stand on the side of him. Alright? Get it as close as you can. Alright? Alright. Okay, Joe's going to put the gauge blocks in and show you that they're away from the wheel. You see them? Can you get a close-up of the gauge blocks to the disc pad? Alright? Alright, now Joe is going to loosen them screws and push the gauge blocks against the disc. Alright? And tighten them screws up. Now that slot in the table is parallel to the wheel. Now Joe is going to tip the table on an angle. Right? Take the and block it up, at any angle he wants. And give it about a 9-degree angle, Joe.
9?
Yeah, something like that. Approximately, don't get too excited. Alright, now you can take the gauge blocks out. Alright, now where will we want to be? Alright, pause. Okay. Alright, just for a little free home demonstration, this is a 3/8 by 3/8 high-speed tool bit, cobalt. I'm gonna just show you how well this grinds. Can you see that, Chris?
Mm-hmm.
See that all right?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna do the other side. Give you an idea. Let me just give it a slight touch. See how that looks? See the other side?
Yep.
We're going to make a rig to put on this so that we can grind threading tools exactly at 60 degrees. You see it? All right, that's all I got. Pause. All right, Joe is going to use the miter gauge, not the way we want to use it, just to show you that the miter gauge has a spot on this table. We've ground one side of a threading tool, he's grinding the other one. He put black magic marker on it, show the black though. With the black magic marker on the tool, then he's just gonna touch it up, show you that he ground, and he's gonna take it off and try it with the semi-gauge. Not the way we want to do it, but just to give you an idea of the value of that miter gauge. All right, Joe, give it hell, baby. Good close-up. Is that it?
Yep, it's clean.
Alright, now pause. Alright, now we're showing you a center gauge with the tube in it. This isn't what we recommend, but just give you an idea what that belt sander can do. Right? We're going to make a rig to do these more accurately, but that's not bad the way it is. Take a hard look at it. That's it. Pause. Hey guys, I'm signing off. Every time I look at I seen this movie, it really impacted me. It really affected me. I 100% believe in it. You know what I say? Save the world, pay it forward. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the flip side. Have a good day.